Every app makes decisions. If your password is correct, you enter the account. If it is wrong, you get an error message. In Python, we use if-else statements to make decisions. The if statement checks a condition. If the condition is true, the code runs. If the condition is false, the else block runs. A variable is created. A variable is created. This represents the stored password. Captured and stored in the password variable. Captured and stored in the password variable.
The else block runs when the if condition is false.
The stored password is compared to the input you enter. If they match, login is successful. Otherwise, you get an error message. The stored password is compared to the input you enter. If they match, login is successful. Otherwise, you get an error message.
Online shopping apps use if-else statements to make decisions. If a product is available, the order is confirmed. Otherwise, the app informs the customer that the item is out of stock. Let's analyze this simple Python code. It checks if the followers count is 10,000 or more. Since it's true, it prints "you are a creator." Otherwise, it would have suggested to keep growing. In this chapter, you learned about program conditions and the if statement. You also mastered the else statement and comparison operators. Now you know how apps make smart decisions. In this chapter, you learned about program conditions and the if statement. You also mastered the else statement and comparison operators. Now you know how apps make smart decisions. In this chapter, you learned about program conditions and the if statements, the technology behind repeating actions in apps operators. Now you know how apps make steps.